TacNote, tactile and audio note-taking for non-visual access. Visual sense is the primary perception for people with normal vision to quickly process information. For BVI people, it requires non-visual cues to sense objects, which can be especially challenging to identify objects of non-fixed positions in a complex environment. BVI people commonly use tactile graphics to label everyday objects. However, these tactile graphics are often created by sighted people and require learning. We propose to enable BVI users to self-create tactile graphics using a 3D printing pen with a companion mobile app. Some 3D printing pens are safe to use with a low-temperature tip and are wireless. To derive design principles, we conducted a diary-based formative study with 5 BVI participants. We identified the benefits and challenges of self-created tactile graphics. They can effectively enhance object memory, but require an assistive technology to track and organize the information. We present TacNote, a system that allows BVI users to annotate, explore, and memorize critical information associated with everyday objects. TacNote has 2 interaction modes, Create Note and Read Note. In the Create Note mode, users create tactile graphics using our modified low-temperature 3D printing pen with added sound effects, and attach them to the target object. They use our app to scan the created tactile graphic. Users can choose different recording modes according to their needs. By selecting Group, they can enter the data input step directly to speed up the recording process. By selecting Single, they can give different records to each symbol in their notes. After selecting the mode, users can take a picture of their notes and enter the note name. In the symbol selection phase, users can overlap the finger and tactile symbols to select. After confirming, users can enter the recording phase. TacNote allows users to not only record the symbol name, but also the content, order, and generate relative positional information. In the Read Note phase, users take a picture of the note, and TacNote will open the past records. Once users identify the record, they can explore it in real time. TacNote adopts a hierarchical reading mode that separates users' record data layers to help them explore more clearly and concisely. Relative orientation information is automatically generated by TacNote to help users understand spatial relationships. When a user selects a symbol as the central point, TacNote calculates the relative positions of the other symbols from that point with 8 directions labeled using the clock method. To understand the usability of TacNote and whether TacNote improves BVI deals with their daily tasks, we perform a user study with 10 BVI participants. We devised 2 tasks, similar item discrimination and spatial understanding, for participants to experience. The first task requires participants to find the target vitamins and supplement items in 6 similar-sized plastic bottles. And the second task aimed to familiarize the participants with the spatial layout of a new campus. In both tasks, TacNote enables BVI people to create physical annotations and interact with the objects around them to help them finish the tasks. The results showed that TacNote significantly reduced the participants' memory burden, offered customizability, promoted independence, and provided convenience.